Vivek session, it's team. Yeah. So yesterday we have seen like object, how to create and all. And today we'll see uh, some scenarios based on that. So where is that? This one. Yeah. Did you all get the program?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. You all received a program, na? Hello. You people will speak something?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So yesterday we have seen how to access the class member outside the class and how can we load the class. So to load the class, we need to create an object and we have access the class members like age, name, and study. Now, same way, this guy is asking. Now, next question, if you want to access the class member within the class, then what you will do? I want to access age and name within the class. Means within a student class only. Within the same class, I want to access age and name. What we do? So already I told there is a method. Methods are used to access the class variable. That's why here if you write, let me take Control A, Control C, take new program. Guys, anyone is having Teams? Well, yeah. Okay. So I am pasting this. Let's do next scenario. And next scenario is I'm writing it here on the top. How to comment already I told you. This is the double slash. You can comment the line. I will join 5-7 minutes late so that people can be on time. They will join on later me and once I will join. So that is not good. It keep on disturbing. So how to now today's scenarios, how to access class member within the class. Okay. So as we know, methods. What is method? Methods are used to access the class variable. So using method, we can access class variable within same class. Within same class. Same class and no reference variable required. And no reference variable required. Okay. So here directly we can access. This is another class here to go. Here plus simply you write age plus give some space plus name. Now save this program. Yes. Okay. Now, what is that name of the class? Company, I think so, right? Company.java. And I'm saving from tomorrow, late commerce. After I join, I will not allow others to join. Anyone. They'll keep on joining by 7:45, 8 o'clock. New folder. What is the date today? 3rd January, right? So I'm writing 3rd Jan. Now, company.java. Correct. Yeah. Company or Java. Okay, that's fine. Police. Java. Yes. Here only I will save this. Fine. And here I will go. Yes. And let me open with the let me open with the red color so that it should be visible. Everyone can see. Now, yeah. Let me execute the program. So Java C college.java Java college. So you can see the output. If you are not able to see, then let me see the font size. It's already 16. Why it's taking too much? 20. Okay. So are you able to see now? So see here, I am able to access the class member outside the class like this, right? Now I want to access this within the class. So we don't require this one, this all. Only you have to call the method. Only you have to call the method here, this study method where age and name I can access. That's it. So simply you have to call that method. Reference variable dot study. This is my method. And inside a study, we have age and name. We can access these two variables without using reference variable. Okay. Is it clear how to access class member within the same class? So using methods. As I already told you in methods are used to access the class variable. In any doubt in this? Simply, you have to give this variable name inside a method and call this method. So from here, control will come here and you are able to access the class. Okay. Guys, any doubt here? If you are silent, then I'll go ahead. If you will tell, no, 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 please tell me, then I will make you understand. Can you tell me? Is it clear or shall I go ahead?
So please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Now, next scenario is how to create. Now, next scenario, can we create object of same class, multiple object of same class? This is next question. Why? Control. Can we create object of same class? Why it is coming up automatically? So can we create object of same class? Multiple object of same class? Can we create? Tell me. Here I am writing next scenario. Can we create object of same class? Tell me. So this is my scenario. Scenario is, can we create object of same class? Create multiple, yeah, multiple object of same class. Is the answer. So answer is yes. We can create multiple object of same class, right? So let me save this. Control C. Yeah. Third Jan, class object part 2. Let me create one more folder inside this. Class object part 2. And so can we create multiple object of the same class? So means, what does it mean? Here we are going to load the class again and again. Right. So what would be the advantage of creating multiple? And next question is, can we update the class? Can we update the class member? Means variables. Update means the value. Can we update the value? Update the value of class members. Means variables. So here age is 30, name is REST API. So can you change the value of age and name? Can we update this? So answer is yes, we can update it. How? Let's see. So how to create multiple object of same class? Yes, we can create using different reference variable. Using different reference variable. So here one object you have created with one reference variable st, And I didn't tell you till now how to print the address of reference. Means what is the value of reference variable? First, see what is the value of this reference variable. So what reference variable does? What it holds? What system reference variable holds? Hmm?
Object of student class.
Address, na? Yesterday, you people are asking notes. You are not. If no one is referring these notes. See, any class type name which holds the address of an object, it always holds the address of an object. And another, I told reference type, any variable used with class type. See, it always holds the primitive variable, always holds the value, but reference variable always holds the address. It always holds the address of an object, right? See. So everyone go through the note. I don't. You people will not get advantage. At least this guy has told some answer. I appreciate. Thank you. Who has told this answer? But yes, everyone should tell and tell the appropriate. Yes, it holds the address of an object, and it is a class type because it is used with the class name. So it is a class type, and it always holds the address right side whatever object you are creating of that. And how address looks like? Writing. Address looks like, this is memory management, looks like class name at the rate some junk value. Okay. So here plus simply write st. Now go here. See that cd plus object Java C. Let's come here. Yeah, Java C, what is the college? No error. Java college. See here the address value of reference variable at class name at the rate some junk value. So this is the address inside the memory. At this address, this class is loaded in the memory. So if you know the address of a student, so you can access all the members. No, if I know the address of you, I have written your address in my some notepad I have written, or in piece of paper I am like I have written your address and I have put into my pocket, right? So by referring that address, I can reach to your house and I can access all your members, right? Correct. So this is the reference variable. It is the address at which this class is loaded in the memory. So if I know the address, the using that address, I can, if I reach to his house, I can access his son, daughter, whatever it's there. I can talk to everyone, right? So this is reference variable always holds the address and primitive variable always holds the value. Is it clear, everyone? Not clear, then ask.
So please repeat last line.
I am telling a reference variable always holds the address of the class. So if you know the address of anything, you can reach their members also. Na? If I know the address of your house, through that address, I can reach to your house and I can access your family members also, right? If I go to your house using your address, whatever address you have provided, if I will reach here, this is house, let's say this is a house, Then I can access age, name, everything, na, study. That's why you
Okay.
were able to access st.study, st.age, st.name outside the class in last scenario. Here, if you will see why we are able to access. Here, why we are able to access st.age and st.name, why we are able to access. Using this reference variable, why we are able to access age and name outside the class? Because st is a reference variable which holds the address of a student class. So I am reaching here. Dot is access operator. Dot age, dot name, I am able to access. Because st is a reference value. I know the address. If I know the address of your house, I can reach and I can access the members also. All three members. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Now, so that's why we are able to access these members. Now, what is the scenario for what I have written this program? And always remember reference variable address looks like class name at the rate some junk value. Okay. Now, next question. Can we create multiple object of same class? So one object I have created. Let me write it here. Don't get confused. Yeah. Now, here, now I am creating another object. So how to create a different object of the same class, multiple object of same class using different reference variable. I'll write st1 here. You can create one more object. How much object you want to create? You can create, but using different reference variable. Reference variable should not be same. So total 3 object I have created of the same class. So using this, let's say I am accessing, how to update the value? Simply, first of all, print the address of all the classes. st already value not, you can write the address of class student using reference variable. Using reference variable st. Hmm. Now I will copy same. You can see all will have different address because you are loading 3 times. You are creating 3 times object means you are loading this class 3 times. So it will have different address at in memory. Here you see st2. Sorry, st. Yeah. Now see. Oh, see the address of class student using reference variable st is this one. A student at the rate 15db974. These all are junk value, but all junk values are different here. See the address of class student using reference variable st1 equal to this one and st2 which is this one. So all 3 reference variable I have created and 3 times I have created an object. That's why using different reference variable, we can create a multiple object of the same class. Now, what is the intention of, did you understand this line?
Yes, sir. But intention, that the same question I was supposed to ask. Yeah, why we
Now,
need to do
why
this?
we create a multiple object of the same class? So, based on the requirement, I can copy the different set of values of the same class. Let's say here you want to put the original copy of age. So here I am accessing original copy of age, right? With st1 st reference variable. Here I want to create, let's do this. Here with st reference variable, I want to keep the original value of student class. So I can write original like that, original value of student class, student with st reference, right? So here what you can write, here plus st dot name plus st dot age, right? So here st dot name, st dot age. So here you will get how much? 30 and REST API, right? So with st reference variable. Oh, very nice. Now, how can you update the value of using reference variable? If you want, you can update the value of age from 30 to 50, REST API to REST assured. So here with st1, I want to change the value of age and name. So how can you change? Simply st dot the reference variable dot member name, variable name, and here you make it 50. Now the value of age is changed. Here you make st dot name. Here you can change from REST API to REST assured. Okay. Now with S2, you print this value. Here ST1, here ST1. Okay. Now here you print this value. ST1 reference variable. ST1. Now with ST2, you want to keep another value of age and name. You want to use in the program with different value of age and name. You want to keep for that. You have some specific purpose. So you can change this. Now ST2 also you can do the same job. ST2 dot age equal to let's say 60. ST2 dot name equal to something. Java. Right? And you can print. So here ST2, ST2, ST2. And here. So now go and execute this program and see. Name also, if you want, you can print it. Name also I have printed. See, with first reference variable, I want to play with only original variable. I am going to write a logic with the real value, means original variable value age name. Later, I have some different needs. I want the value 30 to 50 name, different name I want to use. So with different reference variable, ST1, I will update the value with 50 and rest assured, right? With st2, I want to use the value 60 and something. So this is what. So using different reference variable, we can create multiple object of some same class. And why we create multiple objects? So that we can have a different set of values as per our requirement. This every reference will have a separate copy, individual copy of the same class. That's why using different reference variable, we can create multiple object of same class to update the class variable with different value. And every reference variable will keep track of their own copy. Okay. Understood or not? Not understood, then ask. I am giving you chance. You people are not asking only. What can I do?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So ST1 and ST2, we can get to know these place or the address, the memory where it is stored. So is it possible to find the address of the variables that we use inside the
No,
method?
no, no. In one address, this class will go. In a memory,
Okay.
getting in a memory, full class will be getting loaded at same address. This is your memory, and here this is your program. Okay, so here class A, let's say I'm writing one example. Class A, int age equal to 20, string name equal to hello. So what will happen here at some address? Just I am writing one example. Let's say A at the rate, here this is the address. This is the address. A at the rate some junk value. Okay, so here this class will be completely loaded. This is here, this complete class. Here it will come at this address along with their members. So class A, complete data, and this int will have some different. What can I do to this one? Prasada is there. Take it. So here int age equal to 20 and name equal to hello. So here like this data will be get again, if you create a new object, again new address will get created. Understood now? Again new address will get created. If you create this is
Yeah, yes, sir.
less.
Yeah, so collectively it refers to the members also. The members will also find
Yeah.
this.
In one section, in that address only, age will allocate some 4 bytes of memory, something in memory location. But at same address, this all data, whenever you will create an object, this all data will get stored in the memory at same address. This one, at same address. Again, new address, you are creating new object. Again, it will go to next address here. Understood? This is for new reference variable.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
What's your name?
Vinodini.
Vihan.
Vinodini.
Bindu. Sorry.
No, no, sir. Vinodini.
Oh, Vinodani. Okay.
Vino,
Yeah. No,
Vinodini.
because I got it, Vinodani. No. Why I asked? Because one girl is there in night batch, rest assured. Same voice. She is having same, like replica of you. And same base, same speed, everything is same. That's why I
Oh,
thought Bindu. And her name is Bindu. Bindu Thomas. She's in USA.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I asked. I am confused whether she has joined now again.
Okay.
Yes, others? Any question? Right. Yes, any question?
Not now.
Okay. So this is what are the scenario we can create a multiple object of same class, and intention of creating multiple object means you can update the value of the class using the different reference variable, and every reference variable will have individual copy of that class member values. You can, so mainly the purpose of creating reference variable to update the value of the class variable and accessing this class member outside the class. So two, three purposes are there, right? Now the next scenario is what is object in this? Okay. Control V. Delete this all. Or here only I can do. Okay, as per needs I will do. Let's see. Now I am creating the object of this class. Now tell me what is object here in this complete statement. What is object here? Yes. This is how we can create an object of class to load this class into memory. So in this complete statement, what is object?
Sir, class name with the braces, the curly brace. Sorry, this round brace bracket.
This one?
Yes, sir.
You think this is an object, okay? At least someone told something. Good. Anyone? What is object in this complete statement? Anyone? Okay. So actually new student is an object. What is an object? New student is an object. ST is a reference variable. Don't never think that ST is an object. ST is a reference variable. So, and student is a class name. You know that. So this is actually object. Anything used with new operator. I told you the meaning of new. New means which is used to create an object. Already I discussed this. See here yesterday. Where is that new? Which you create an object. New operator used to create object. So here new student is an object and I can prove you. So if this is an object, then I can access the class member of this student class. Yes, we can access it. No doubt, we can access. System dot out. And I'm writing accessing class member only with object. Only with object. And you take this New student dot age. Class member age. Only with object. New student dot age. Same way, you can access name also only with object only. With object only. Name. And here you can write name. Now, here you can access method as well. Study. What is the method name? Study. So you can write same thing. Using this object only, you can access all the class members. What is that? Study. Right? Yes. Now, here the question is, can we access class member with object only? With object only. Yes. Okay, we can access. Right? Now you can save this program. Year 7 MBAS 3rd January part 3. Make folder. Class object part 3. Do all this. First of all, go here and always dot Java. Yes. Now see. And I'm going to execute this program. CD class object. What is that? Okay. So CD class part 3. Yes. Java C college. I have one error. New student object st. What is that? Variable st is already defined in the method main. Okay.
We have created twice.
Is it? Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Where is Java? No Java. Okay, fine. Java, what is the class name? Student. Or college.
College.
Yeah. This is the. Now see, accessing class member age only with object 30, only with object REST API. And student also I am study method also I am able to access. And there also I have accessed class variable 30 REST API. So see, this is actually object. Now the question is, if we can access the class member using object only, then what is the use of creating reference variable? Correct. So if we can access the class member using object or with object only, then what's the use? What is the use of creating reference variable? Right? Using reference variable, you are creating an object. What is the use? If directly we can write no new student, that's it. And yeah, it is correct only, syntax wise also. Means one object you have created of the student. How many times you will write this? That many times the student class object will get created. No need to write this all st equal to something something. This part only you can remove. So what is the use? Can anyone tell me the answer?
Suppose
Okay.
if we are dealing with
Reference.
One by one. I will ask everyone. Yeah, please tell me. Go ahead one by one.
We are referencing the name.
We are creating
Yes.
reference. So my question is, why we are creating reference? If we can access the class member using this only, then why we are using this statement?
So
Why we are
if
creating?
we if we are creating a multiple classes, then we cannot reference which class.
You can write like this also. If you, let's say you have a different class, let's say class student or class anything, let's say class person is there, right? Here you can write new person. Simple.
It will be lengthy, right? So every
Doesn't
time.
matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah, readability purpose you may feel, but how much time it will take? New person. That's
Because we may not
yeah.
able to modify like the values or the formula or something or so that's why we need reference variable, because earlier example when we change the age and the name, so that will not be possible. That's why.
What's your name?
Ashish Saxena.
Okay, Assis. You only joined by 8:55, right?
No sir, actually call got dropped due to Wi-Fi, so
Uh-huh.
rejoined.
Okay. Good. Very good. I am very much happy that you are getting something. Yes, your guessing is correct, but you should tell confidently. Your guessing is correct. Yeah, I am agreed with you. Okay, Ashish. So see here, I will try to update this value. See, this is a reference variable is there till here. Now, if you will try to access, let's say here you modify the value. Here you go. Sorry. Here you go and modify the value of age and name. Let's say st dot age equal to 70. st dot name, sorry, st dot name equal to something you write. Whatever. Okay, I'm writing hello. Now you try to access this. Yeah. See here, original value of a student with not original value. I'm just writing the value of a student age and name. Okay, just run this and try to update with this one. With object only, you try to update the value. Now here I am trying to update the value with object. Just I am trying to update the value with object. I am writing here, same thing. I tried to update the value of age and name using reference variable. Now I am trying to update this value using this object, new student dot age equal to, let's say 99. Again, I am writing name equal to something, Isha. Now you print this value of age and name. Here I am taking the updated value of age and name with object. With object. So here, same thing you have to copy, Control C. And paste this one. Now you will see with this object, it's not able to change the update the value. So go and run this program. What is some mistake I have done? The updated value of st1.name. This is st, not st1. That's why we should not copy from any another. Again, someone joined or what? Oh, great. Now can you see that? Let's see. That is another error. No error. Yeah. Now see. Is it correct one? So see here, of the updated value of age and name with reference variable, I am getting hello and 70, whatever I have updated. But with object, I am not able to update the value. It's 30 and REST API one. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes.
So that's a difference. Understood?
Yes.
Not understood.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So that is the difference. Using object, you cannot update the value of class member. But using reference, because it is holding the address. So that's why using that address, you can go. But here directly you are using the object directly. So how many times you will write new student? That many times object will get created and it will point again to the fresh copy of this class, age and name. Like here I have written new student. Again, new object of a student is created. Again, it will point to age and name value, not this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes. Clear. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So if you are clear, then I am okay. We'll wind up this session. We'll meet on Monday and I will share all this scenario to you. Is it okay?
Sure, please. So, sir, from Monday, are we going to have from 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. class?
So that's why you people are still one class lagging, two class lagging.
Okay.
Okay. So one more class I can teach you people constructor, and you can join there. I have started already constructor there.
I
Okay.
have a one question. The
Mhm.
string is mutable. What it is means in the
Okay.
Java world?
Yeah. Actually, this is a different question. Mutable,
Mhm.
first of all, you should understand string is not a data type in Java. Okay.
Okay.
A string is a inbuilt class in Java which accepts the sequence of characters. Okay. So to
Okay.
store
Okay.
to store any type of string data in a memory, there is a string constant pool is there. The memory name of to store the string type of data, there is a string pool is there in the memory. So
Okay.
what it happens, whenever you will try to store the string object in that string pool, string consent pool, then it will not allow you to modify that. Let's say string name equal to hello, and a string
Mhm.
name one equal to you are writing hello again. Okay. So
Mhm.
that pool will check it is having same object, means same content type. It will not create the different object. Okay. So
Okay.
mutable string is mutable or immutable. First, it is a immutable. Means we cannot change the object of string class. Okay.
It is
So
immutable. That's what you are saying, right?
yeah, yeah. String is immutable. Means once we assign the object inside that object, means let's say string str equal to hello, so hello is an object. So if we have assigned that object into string reference, now again you are writing a string str1 equal to hello, it will point to the same address in the string pool memory. And if you will try to modify that, then it will create a new object.
Okay.
So
Mm.
immutability means you cannot change the object of the string class, content of the string class. And if you will try to modify the content of the string class, then it is going to create a new object in the string pool memory. But a string is a immutable. We cannot create object, right? It cannot be modified. Whatever object content you have written, it's final. So that's fine. Are you clear?
Yeah, string name equal to rest.api you created, right? In that case, so name is the reference, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And right side, whatever value is stored is, you can say as a object content. This is
Okay.
a
So you,
reference. This is a content
uh
object, you can
okay.
say. So again, if you are writing string name one equal to, again, if you are writing, let's say REST API, okay. So what will
Mm-hmm.
happen in string pool memory, name equal to here, name equal to name one. It will be true. It will compare the address of these two objects. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will give you the result true. It will print. Okay,
Okay.
because both are pointing to same object in a memory. This string pool memory will check. It is also having same object. It is also having same object. Yeah, immutability. So both will be pointing to same object. But if you will try to modify the value, it will going to create a new object. So string is immutable. You cannot modify that,
Okay.
right? If you can
Mm-hmm.
modify, then it is not. It will go and create a new object.
So it builds a lot of memory, right? To occupy more memories. String
That
in that
that's why
case.
that's why string pool is created. So let's say you are creating 1,000 strings, right? So if you have a same type of data, they are not going to create any new address or nothing. They will put everything. They will point all the object at same address.
Okay.
And if it is having different content, then it will go from string pool. It will create new object for that, new address for that. Okay. If you want to understand more, then go here. Same thing. Whatever I told, same thing will be there. The string is immutable. And I will teach this at the end, not now. Say with the same content, share a storage in the string single pool to minimize creating a copy. Can you understand this? So
Yeah.
and if you want to check
Yeah.
this,
Concept wise, little bit I'm not clear. So if you are coming later point of time, that is fine.
yeah, I will teach you. First, you should understand what is a string. Okay.
Okay.
And see this reference I am sharing you. You all can try this. You can study this. Here it nicely explained with diagram. Same thing I
Okay.
will be teaching you later also. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Okay, so this reference you take for immutable and mutable and check this. Everyone if you want, but now it's not mandatory for you people.
Okay.
Tulsi,
Thanks.
yeah, you can check this. Fine. So we are done for the class. I will be sharing all the programs. Now only I will share. Now only you people download. Attachment option I am not getting. So after the class I will get the attachment, and you people can take this. Okay. If you are not getting program, then ping. They will share with you. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Let's meet on Monday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, sir.